Well, hello YouTube. My name is Truly Omniscient, and I'm playing. Let's see. The name is Beyond Equilibrium, made by Revelation Studios. Currently, this is a pre-alpha build, the most recent pre-alpha that they have. My one friend works at the studio, so I was doing YouTube. He's like, "Hey, do you want to do YouTube videos on our game?" And I said, why not? So here I am. So let's see. Controls. E is for action. I'm going to assume that's like picking stuff up. No, I haven't played this game at all. F, flashlight. Okay, so I'm going to make an assumption that it's dark. Sneak, left shift. Okay, that seems simple enough. Get down, crouch, walk around a bit slower, I'd imagine. Swap weapons, so at least there's multiple weapons in this game. That seems interesting. And that'll be tab. And to hack, I press V, so I guess there's going to be a computer system. But then again, seeing I'm on a spaceship, it makes sense that that there's going to be computers. And then I can punch stuff too. Alright. New campaign. Oh wait, I should probably exit this window. New campaign. Loading level. It's really dark. Oh, hey. What's this? That's a big bullet! Oh my god! What? That looks like a candle! Oh my god! I was not expecting bullets to be this big. Oh, hey. Oh, hey, I have a bed. Oh, there's some nice stuff. Okay, there's my drawer. Oh, I have two beds! Can I just push them together and bring someone else in here? Or am I the only one on the ship who's not insane? Or something like that. Well, let me... Okay. That's zoom in, zoom out. Oh, yeah, there we go. I picked it up this time. What was it? Crap, what was melee? Let's see. Tab was to swap weapons. V was to do something. I don't remember all the controls! And there's no menu. I don't think there's a menu. Okay, well, here's another bedroom. And can I, take these beds? Ah! What was that? I'm confused. I just saw a human-like thing that scared me. I probably should have memorized the controls or took a picture of them. Kind of creeped out. Okay, I don't know if that's the point. Here's a door. Oh, hey. That opened. Okay, so clicking does shoot, because I have bullets on the side there, which I just wasted like 5. Did I see something? I hope I didn't. I don't like... I wish I should warn me that this might be like a scarier type game. Oh, hey, more rooms. Are there any weird people around? Doesn't look like it. Wonder what they're... but... I mean, this is like pre-alpha, so... Oh, hey, look! Another big bullet. Man. Are these hunting like dinosaurs with the size of these bullets? Bang! Bang! Oh, hey, look! That's a giant hole. V... Okay. Forget what V does. Whatever. Let's go. Hey, look! Another door. Nothing's behind me. Open sesame! Oh god! Okay, so when they die, they just disappear. I guess that works. Does my weapon, like, disintegrate people? I'm just wandering around. No more people. Okay, there's nothing there. Let's see, let's go through this door. V, yeah. Oh, Oh god, hey look, more creepy people. Ah! Okay, G is melee. It's just there aren't any specific actions. But then again, this is pre-alpha. And it's really dark in here. My flashlight doesn't work, so I'm going to walk away from that, because I'd rather be able to see. So it looks like I'm going to punch everything, I guess. Oh, hey look, more people. Oh god. Ah, I'm at half health. I don't want to die. Leave me alone. Okay, I just beat them all up to shoot. At least at least I don't need to clean up the corpses. Okay, my guess is that there might be like an infection, maybe? Crew. Okay, I'm going to walk this way. Hey look, doors! I like the door design, they seem kinda cool. I mean, I'm quite curious as to what's going on. Oh. Okay, I was able to get out. Are they all going to be like this? Yes. Oh wait, more bullets? No, that's not a suitcase. My guess is that this is going to be like a survival, find out what happened type of game. I have no clue since it's, as I mentioned earlier. Oh wait, E is for action. I guess that. Okay, I guess I can't do anything there. Oh hey, suitcases. Oh, there's nothing in there. Sad face. I mean, hey, well these beds look kind of nice. I mean, this is all pre-alpha stuff. It doesn't look too bad. Well, as I said, pre-alpha. So this is oh hey, wait, can I open that? What was? Wait, there's a health pack somewhere. Where is this health pack? Yay! I healed myself with an invisible health pack. I think I'm getting too much enjoyment out of this. And another empty room with this thing who doesn't want to do anything. Oh, doesn't sad face. Is it gonna be one of the? Oh, hey, it looks like a cave. Okay. Okay, this isn't weird at all. Nothing's coming from behind. Oh yeah, more ship. Maybe that hallway just wasn't textured or something. Ah! Super dark in this room again. Why is it so dark? I feel like I'm walking into the belly of the beast. Oh, hey. Okay. So, is there a map? No, no map. Tab is switch weapons, which everything's out of ammo. Did I miss something? Like, in here, my guess is that these rooms were important. Okay, restricted access, engineering crew only. V. No. Pressing random buttons always work. No, I'd rather like. No, okay. Well, I mean, there's gonna be a lot more to come with this. Oh, hey, look, I missed the door. What did I miss? And it's just like a room like everything else. Am I gonna find more bullets or something? Oh, I'll sad face. I want more bullets, because I'm out. Ah! What to the end of the trap room? They need vodka, even though I don't drink. Okay, shifting down actually, I don't think it changes my speed at all. Probably an option is to sneak past all the creepy people who are running around like monsters. And who spooked me really bad earlier. Gosh, oh, yeah, dark room. Let's see, is there anything if I walk along the edge of the wall? No. Yes! I knew there was something I missed. Open! Let's go forward. More of these earthen hallways. They look like tunnels more than a spaceship there. But I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep exploring. Ah! Congratulations, you've made it! Thank you so much for playing our prototype. We really hope you liked it. Now, we know it's still rough around the edges, but this is just the beginning of our process. We look forward to hearing your honest responses. Plus, you don't have to worry about missing out for another opportunity. Every Tuesday, we post a new developers blog. So look us up on Facebook, Revelation Studios, or Twitter on _staff13. Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense. And keep yourselves updated on everything we do. Your responses are the most critical part of our development, so please don't forget to send us your honest review and responses to the questionnaire. Thank you very much. Stats. Ammo used a lot. I ended up full health because I healed myself at the end. Time 600 seconds, so it's like 10 minutes. Exit. Oh, hey. I'm on my base screen now. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Maybe one day we'll all figure out what this game is supposed to be. I mean, my first experience was kind of entertaining. Being spooked half to death by that humanoid thing. But I will keep doing videos on this game whenever there's a new update. So, have a nice day, and make sure to stay